Hello everyone, and today we are looking at the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is a lightweight masterpiece. This compact powerhouse weighs under 249 grams, so you can skip the registration process entirely. Capture stunning 4K vertical videos with ease to share your adventures in high definition right away. Advanced omnidirectional sensing keeps your flight safe by detecting obstacles from every possible angle during your journey. Enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time while exploring landscapes with 20 kilometers of video transmission. New ActiveTrack 360 technology allows beginners to master complex cinematic shots with just a few taps. You can even pair it with goggles for an immersive flight experience that puts you in the cockpit. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.